The first word that the client said was शांति चाहिए. Some place to escape the bondage of daily city life. And where they could be themselves.
Openness was the prime criteria for them. Hello, I am Kalpesh Dalwadi.
I'm Shreya Dalwadi. We represent Team Harmony. Today we are here at the Amroliwala residence, Giri Kunj. This project was conceived as a net zero house and therefore move a little closer to Mother Earth and her fantastic elements. When first we came to the site itself gave us some messages. Where to place the house, how much to build. This has led us to a form which is very, very open and very, very transparent. Inside out is the underlying theme that this project was designed, communicating very, very much through the openings, through the courtyards, through the materials. Entire project is enveloped by an urban forest developed through the Japanese technique called the Miyawaki technique. This technique enables the trees to grow as high as 3 meters in 1 year.
And it will give a little privacy to this house. So basically it has been divided into 3 built mass. This is public area in the front and private area on the back side. And these 2 areas are segregated with the central courtyard. And the entry is given through this central courtyard.
Courtyard is an inevitable element, especially the houses of Baroda. Traditional architectural science everywhere, courtyard has been referred as an instrument in the yogic journey. Through the courtyard is the blessings which get showered on you. When we enter in the house, we see our Bhagwanji, Srinathji Bhagwan. Backdrop is the very nice hand-drawn Pichwai art from Udaipur. The skylight brings a very nice reflective sensation when it combines with the water body here. The Panch Mahabhuta, the 5 elements of nature. The earth in the form of walls, the sun, the water, the ether in the openness and the landscape. This is the living area. This is the small dining table and the dining space and a very minimalistic kitchen here. Oh, it's a wonderful kitchen. I love to cook in my kitchen because it's completely open.
This living, kitchen and dining is segregated with beautiful stone arches. These arches are load-bearing arches. The diameter of this arch is almost 15 feet. Stone we got from the 30 kilometer of radius. But the best part of the stone is it comes with the multiple colors. So the thought of using this dark floor, we wanted to balance the light. So we have used Kadapa rough stone for the flooring. This is reinforced rammed earth wall. Mud for this wall is from the site. There are multiple layers which is rammed one by one. As summer is very extreme here, the outdoor temperature goes up to 45-47 degrees in the afternoon. But we are very comfortably standing here. That is due to this roof, where we have used the cement board, there's the insulation, and the below here what we see here is the beautiful batik print as well as bamboo chatai.
What sort of openness would be the most appropriate here?
On the upper level, we have given fixed glass opening. That's for visual connect with the sky as well as to get daylight. And at the body level, there's a adjustable wooden luvers. One more structure is on the back side for the jacuzzi. So again, that is to give privacy. Basically, bedrooms are on the southern part of the site. This private area is further divided, attached toilet and common toilet in the center. There is no direct openings in the toilet, and we have given two small dormer windows.
Both the stone walls of both the bedrooms houses the utilities. This wall is a deliberate stone wall. This wall is deliberately a rammed earth wall. Forms the main facade of the house also. So that character is a little different and a little hard. This is a softer character of the room. Most notable are the nice louvers, which give you a flexibility of how much you want to open the bedroom. There's a lot of cross ventilation through these louvers, and you get nice breeze right near your head. When you're lying on the bed, it is a natural tendency to look at the sky. You are connected with the moon at night and you wake up with the sun. So on one hand, you're connected to the earth and you're also connected to the sky.
And wood which you see here is the recycled wood. The need of the client was having a swing in the area where he can spend his whole day.
We really like to sit on the swing and see the sunrise from that side.
This project recharges all the water, in fact, much more than the water used by the project. Design something which is optimal, not going exorbitant, but going appropriate in budget. The thought of using local materials came from there. And our spiritual books say that whatever envelope you're surrounded by is how you become eventually. To induce a lot of natural living, natural materials have been a preference for all spaces.